So today I have the Kublet all-purpose data tracker that I got from Kickstarter. It just arrived. I'm going to unbox this thing and then set it up and showcase just how it works. So this is kind of what the box looks like. Features the branding, features what one of the little squares look like, features the website on the bottom, marketing visualized, data on a tiny display on the back side, bunch of text describing what it is, a bunch of little details on kind of the specs of what's going on, the apps you'll need to run it, just some details like Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. So I'm going to open it up. So all it comes with basically is a USB old school little mini micro cord, and then the device. So the device is basically a straight square. It's got a little screen protector tab that you can pull off. On the back you can see where you can plug the USB, as well as a button on the back. It's got this foam, and like I showed, there's nothing besides the foam. So this is basically what you get in the box. So I'm gonna set it up off camera and then kind of showcase how it displays. So I have it set up. Currently I have it set to look at the SPY, so the S&P 500 index. It's kind of not real intuitive to set up through the app, through the Android App Store, but I did get it set up to display a stock ticker, and this is kind of what it looks like. Like I said, there's just a button on the back, USB plug. It has to be plugged in for this to work. So if I unplug it from my power source, it goes dead like that. Plug it back in. It's going to kind of boot for a second, and then it'll display after it powers up whatever stock ticker you set. But that's pretty much how this little data tracker works. Thanks for watching.